Hi, my dear friend. Welcome you to SpeakNowEnglish.com. This is really one of the unique, creative, practical, and meditational English speaking course. With the help of this English speaking course, you can become a fluent speaker of English. Now, we have started one of the mix of communication skills course, which is blended of online English speaking as well as live online English speaking. Plus, you are getting a fluent spoken English book. With the help of this fluent spoken English book, you can get all the things which is already in the audio video system. And this book has in two format. If you want to get the printout of book, if you want to get the printed kinds of the our fluent spoken English book, that book you can get on your address through courier. Or if you don't want these things, you can get in the e-format of the PDF in the digital format, and that you will get on your email ID. Now we are going to start the batch from next week, from the Monday onwards, means from the 7th of March. Before 7th of March, if you can take the admissions, you will get three kinds of the benefit. One benefit, you are getting a lifetime access, and these things you are getting only in the 499. The course of online English speaking course is 1800. Instead of 1800, you are paying 499, and along with this 3 months plus 3 months, you are getting a 6 month subscriptions for the online English speaking. You are getting this book for the lifetime because you will be getting in the hard copy, in the printed material, or if you want to get, you can get in the e-format of the PDF. Now, third things, you are getting a live classes. Live classes would be approximate 15 hours. Means you are getting a 7 classes into 2 hours, means 14 hours classes, and 1 hours is the course completions. This things is one of the unique part of this course that you are getting for the 45 days. Weekly once you can join our live online classes, and timing is also very comfortable for the every working professional, that you can join from 7 to 9 in 2 hours. Now with the help of this, you can enjoy the freeness of your life. Till today you are feeling that you are not good in the communications, you are not in good of your English speaking, but this thing is pure creative and practical. You should no need to waste your time, your energy, your money, where you will again repent that okay, हमने तो join किया, we have joined the spoken English, but we could not become a speaker of English. This is the 100% guaranteed program. With this help of this program, you will be a speaker of English. Now, one thing I would like to say you, the progress cannot be measured within a one day or overnight. English speaking is not a overnight dream come true. I always say that. The progress you cannot measure within a 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. It is the continuous process of your learning. Eventually, slowly and steady, you will understand, oh, now I'm communicating the way I want to speak. You will able to speak as you speak your mother tongue. You no need to translate in your mind. You no need to translate your sentences. The moment you will be with your all the helping verbs like aim, is, are, was, were, can, could, may, might, should, would have, whenever these all things will fit with your tongue, you no need to translate it. You will able to speak your thought without translating. As you speak Hindi, Marathi, Telugu, Tamil, Punjabi, you will able to enjoy the moment of your communication. Now what is happening, you want to speak something, but you are unable to translate your real thinking, your real mother tongue. Now you want to speak something else, you are speaking something else. You want to speak something else in Hindi, but you are speaking something else in English. So this communication skills of English, this English speaking course is the real form of your learning. You no need to make the extra effort. You no need to remember it. As you have spoken your mother tongue, you haven't remember anything in your grammar, you haven't remember any word meaning. The process which I have been developed over the period of last 15 to 20 years, eventually this is the one of the extract of the communication skills of English. Now there are so many things is there curriculum which I can't explain you on the everything on this small videos, but okay, I would like to tell you, join this course. join this live course, join this online course, get the PDF of this Fluent Spoken English, or if you want to get the paperback form of the printing, you can get that. For that, you need to send your address along with your PIN code, and you will able to receive it through the courier. Now, I can tell you this course is for 45 days. In the 45 days, approximate you are getting 7 weeks. In 7 weeks, every week you are getting a live classes. You can choose your live classes from Monday to Saturday. From Monday to Saturday, you can choose any one of the 1 day class, and that would be sent on your email ID or your WhatsApp. The link would be sent on your email ID for the live classes, and on that particular day, you can join and you can get the live classes, right? Second thing, along with that, you are getting a online classes which is valid for the 6 months, 3 months plus 3 months. Similarly, you are getting your books, you are getting your lifetime access. Whenever, anytime, any moment, you can get back to me. You can call me directly. My number is already given. My website is there. Our email ID is there. Our website is there. There's a contact details are there, and you can call and you can join. And I would like to thank you to join with our speaknowenglish.com. I would like to thank you that you are joining the moment of your communication skills to develop in your life, that will give you the extra benefit, and you will not able to lose any opportunity in your career. Thank you very much.